Hi guys, welcome to my channel and moving into today's video. A flawless skin is a dream for all of us, and for that a good skincare routine is essential. Beauty Oil has been taking all the attention that it needs in the skincare space, and I would say it is such an amazing product, but they are very expensive. From the Farsali oil to Huda's rosy pot, all the way to Lever face oil, which can cost up to 950 ringgit. That is really expensive. So, if the price is till there, it's working. So today I'm going to show you how to create your own beauty oil in budget, but keeping in mind that it is extremely effective for your skin and it just gives whatever benefit that those expensive oil gives you. And the oil which I'll be making in this video is perfect for oily skin, dry skin, any skin types. So you don't have to worry about your skin type on using face oil on top of your face. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to know all the tips and tricks. So I'm going to discuss all the benefits of using beauty oils. I'm going to show you how to create them, and I'm also going to show you how to use them in different ways. So now let's get into the video, and before that make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let's get to it. Beauty oil has great benefits, and first of all of that is it is a great moisturizer for your skin. It just moisturizes your skin like a dream. You just try it once and you'll know the difference. And second, beauty oil acts as a great barrier for your skin. It just lock in moisture into your skin and just prevent anything from out entering inside your skin, just like any sort of infections, any sort of like bacteria or anything into your skin, and preventing anything getting out from your skin, just like the moisture. It just locks everything down on your skin and makes all skincare products which you are using underneath works great. And the next benefit is they treat wrinkles like a dream. Like, they have great anti-aging properties, so they really treat your skin like a queen. And the fourth benefit is they gives you an instant glowing skin. If you have a dry skin or if you still have an oily skin, they just give you a very nice healthy glowing look on your skin, and that is so beautiful. And the fifth benefit is if you mix the beauty oil with foundation, they are going to look like your skin is perfect. They're just going to blend everything into your skin perfectly and just makes your makeup look like you're not wearing any foundation. It's going to make your skin looks like that, and also it would make your foundation really nice and dewy. Just gives you this very nice healthy glow to your skin. And they have more benefits, but along the way I'll be discussing them with you, because each oil which I'll be using to create this beauty oil has its own benefits, because I'll be also letting you guys know benefit for each of the oil, so you know exactly what you're putting on your skin. So now let's see how to create this oil, and what oil do we need, and how much we need, and how we have to create them, and what are the benefits of using that particular oil in this.
To prepare the oil, first you need an empty bottle. It can be any type of bottle, but for this video I'm using a dropper bottle, which is really easy for beauty oils. All the oils which I'll be using in this video are non-comedogenic, which is they don't clog pores at all, they just absorb really well into your skin. First I'm going to use jojoba oil, which is the main carrier oil. So this oil seals moisture into your skin, act as great barrier for your skin and prevent any bacterial infection. They are a good antibacterial, antioxidant, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic. They don't cause any irritating and very rare to allergic reactions. They help in controlling sebum production in your skin, so this is great for oily skin people as well as dry skin people. And they promote collagen. They are anti-inflammatory and they have great healing properties. They speed up healing. They heal acne scars on your skin, and they also reduce wrinkles. To mix, since jojoba oil is a carrier oil, I'm going to pour 1/3 into the bottle. The next oil which I'm going to use is rosehip oil, which is also another carrier oil. They even out your skin tone like a dream. They really do that job. and they act as a great moisturizer. They firms your skin, they fade any scars or heal acne prone skin. They act as great anti-aging serum which is great for all age skin and mature skin. They prevent wrinkles as well. And I'm going to use the rosy ball also in 1/3 of the measurement to the bottle, so that 2/3 of the bottle is filled up with carrier oil and the rest of the oil is going to be rest of the 1/3. And the next is grapeseed oil. Omega-6 fatty acids in the oil helps to control acne by decreasing clog pores in your skin. So this is great for oily skin. And they have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it great to fight against all breakouts. They protect your skin against free radical damage. They moisturize the skin really well. They also balance natural sebum production according to type of your skin. So in terms of grapeseed oil, I'm going to use just in a small cap. So one cap is just enough, and I'm going to mix it with the oil. And the next oil is carrot seed oil. This helps in skin repairing and regeneration of your skin. They have great anti-aging properties. They act great as a moisturizer. They improve your complexion, and they also increase skin elasticity and firmness to tighten your skin. So this is great for mature skin as well. In terms of carrot seed oil, you need a very little amount, so I'm just filling up half of the cap and mixing it into the oil. The next oil is sunflower seed oil. These are non-comedogenic oil which is highly absorbent and don't clog any pores. This is great for all skin types, and they are very high in vitamin E, which is great for your skin. So I'm going to take half cap of the sunflower seed oil and mix it into the oil mixture. Then the next oil which I'm going to use is the camellia oil. This has great moisturizing property and absorb deep into your skin without clogging any pores. They are perfect for oily skins, dry skins, all skins. And this has great skin perfecting antioxidant which is omega 3, 6 and 9 fatty acids, and plant collagen which is makes your skin perfect in terms of texture. They also increase skin healing and fight against bacteria. So I'm going to use 1 cap of camellia oil and mix into the mixture. Last but not the least, I'm going to use lavender oil, which is a great essential oil. They heal skin and acne breakouts. They treat eczema, which is a super dry skin condition, so they are great for dry skin as well. They moisturize greatly. They treat wrinkles, and they have great anti-aging properties. They also treat any discoloration in your skin and even out the skin tone. So since this is an essential oil, we are going to use in a very limited amount. So you only have to use 0.5% to 1.5% in any of your mixture. So for this mixture, I'm going to use roughly 15 to 20 drops. So it also depends on the size of your bottle. So if you roughly have a bottle on this size, then 15 to 20 drops would do the magic. And once you are done with everything, make sure you just mix everything well and shake it up well. And here we have created that. In terms of skincare routine, take 2 to 3 drops of the oil and massage it gently in your skin so that the oil penetrates deeply into the skin. Always remember to add beauty oil in the last in your skincare routine, because this oil will lock everything into your skin and act as a skin barrier to make all products works in your skin. I have been using this beauty oil for almost 3 months now, and I can see such a great changes in my skin and my skin texture. The second way to use it is with foundation. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and mixing 2 drops of the oil. This will make the foundation super dewy, and it just glides on very smoothly on our face without having any strokes or patches. This will also make the foundation blends really well into the skin and look like it's like your skin, and prevent all the cakiness that we might get from any foundation. You can see now how glowy my skin looks, and that is just beautiful, and I think this is the look that we all want to get, a no makeup look. Now you can see the difference. In the left side I've only used the foundation, in the right side I've mixed them with the oil. Obviously the right side is super dewy and making your skin looks very healthy as well. Last but not the least, you can use the beauty oil as an highlighter too. You can take a drop of beauty oil in your finger and just tap slightly on the high points of your cheeks to create a very healthy natural glow on your face. If you have oily skin type, then you can just avoid this step and instead you can just mix with your foundation. And that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you find this video really beneficial and knowledgeable as well. If you like this, then don't forget to like this video and also please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.